Why do some people get cancer and others don't? How do you grow tissue that will help patients recover from severe heart attacks? Do certain foods help Alzheimer's disease? There are few places in the world where these sorts of questions get more attention than in San Diego, one of the world's most active hubs of innovation in the life sciences. San Diego scientists are pioneering major advances in genetics and immunology, neuroscience and pediatrics, medical diagnostics, and drug design. The Torrey Pines Mesa has created more than 600 life science companies and ranks among the top 5 cities for National Institutes of Health funding in America. There are more Nobel and National Academy members here per capita than any other city. Their work is changing our concepts of disease and medicine, indeed of life itself. Their labs are developing new stem cell technologies, advanced genetic engineering, even creating the first synthetic life forms. Theirs is a story of tremendous consequence for all of mankind. It comes with enormous costs and spectacular potential, unimagined trade-offs and unknown dilemmas for all of us. And yet it's a story that's not well understood. As science races forward, the most important question may well be, how can the rest of us keep up? How can everyday people be armed to understand the stakes, the challenges, and the potential at the frontiers of science? Put another way, without public understanding, can the sciences truly thrive? Those questions are the driving force behind a new idea: a National Life Sciences Media Center in San Diego. This novel institution would give the world's best journalists unique access to top scientists, academics, and entrepreneurs with a single goal: to dramatically expand life sciences literacy at this critical moment in history. We envision the Media Center as a collaboration of research institutes, universities, and companies, each motivated in its own way to advance public knowledge, not public relations, genuine public understanding of the sort that informs the public debate and fuels national resolve to advance the public interest. We imagine a handful of the world's top science journalists coming to San Diego every year for professional fellowships. The center would pay their salaries and embed them in the labs of the Salk Institute, the Scripps Research Institute, UC San Diego, Sanford Burnham, the Sanford Consortium for Regenerative Medicine, and the J. Craig Venter Institute. Their work will be at the bench to observe and describe some of the most difficult and complex areas of science, from how cancer cells grow to the way microbes protect humans from disease. At the same time, our vision is to support them with seminars in the sciences and in new media. All of this to arm them for the challenge of developing a new science journalism that goes beyond the tweet of the moment or the story of the day. Their innovative work must capture the public's imagination and build genuine understanding. It must persist as a library that can be queried by students, enthusiasts, or average people. Their work will create connections where the feedback, ideas, and insights from scientists can join the public debate. Every year, the annual projects by our fellows will be the most watched and most prestigious journalism in science. Their work will include video programming for YouTube, UCTV, or PBS, digital resources for the center's website and app platforms, news, forums for conversation, even curriculum for distribution to grade schools and high schools. We believe such a center can quickly become the nation's most trusted source for science journalism, a platform that connects journalists and scientists as never before, a place known for illuminating the amazing and explaining the complex.